is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Holden Cruze SRI Z sedan, stock reference number 4130. This shape runs from the third month 2011 and goes through to the first month 2017. It has an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, chrome SRI type grille, right hand halogen headlight, right hand fog light, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand halogen headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags, left front has a good tyre, we have the left power door mirror, left side skirt, both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the boot lid spoiler in centre garnish. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand sill skirt. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a pretty average black leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.